Hello guys, Bittruth here. Today I want to talk about really the cryptocurrency market in general, because I really don't talk about the cryptocurrency market that much, and today I want to talk about if $30,000 are coming, and all these big predictions, towards $1 million or the biggest bull run or whatever you want to call it. This is the truth about the Bitcoin and the whole cryptocurrency market, so watch it till the end. It's a really important and informative video. So today's video is not going to be like some TA charts with some patterns, second grade art class. No, it's going to be much more psychological. There are some articles out there, by the Bitcoinist, for example. Google Bitcoin FOMO is barely just starting despite 130% gains. Even with Bitcoin gaining 130% since the start of 2019, global interest will appears to be big according to Google search trends, while it's not that big, at least for now. Like, a few days ago it was, but right now it isn't. But the idea is that they're saying, FOMO and all this stuff, and then you have another article right here. FOMO frenzy triggers Bitcoin price to blast through $10,000 this week, predicts analyst. And we need to talk about these words about predicts analyst and cryptocurrency analyst and stock market analyst. We need to talk about all that. Then you have CNBC giving their take. It may be a FOMO rally, but it says the Bitcoin boom will still have some legs. Just watch this clip, and if you watch this clip you're going to cringe so hard. But like two stock market traders who have no idea how Bitcoin works, no idea what the market is going through, saying, I'm going to buy at this level and I'm going to profit at that level with leverage trading, whatever the hell this thing. But let me tell you the truth about the whole cryptocurrency market. The truth is that we're right now in a manipulated market. There's little doubt about that. And these people that are right now leverage trading on different platforms, either shorting or going long on Bitcoin. Some people are going long, but the majority are going short. If you remember a few months ago, OTC volume of Bitcoin is rising. Are institutions buying? Back then, the price was $3,500. A lot of bearish sentiment. And then all of the sudden, all these media companies are going really bullish and are really interested in Bitcoin. Do you buy that? I don't buy this stuff at all, because all of the sudden you're bullish and then bearish. There's no reason there. It's not natural anymore. You're just seeing these plastic faces, these robots trying to convince you to buy or sell. And right now the cryptocurrency market, these people, even the YouTubers, the shillers, saying, bullish Bitcoin signal that kickstarted the last bull run is back. $30,000 by 2020, $218,000 next bull run. That's 2 days ago. 4 days ago, another media company in the crypto space, the next bull run will be the first cycled by established institutions. And look right here, some CNBC crap or whatever it is. We are entering to a 2 to 3 year bull market where 20k will be just a blip on the radar. It's just really funny that you see all these YouTubers, media companies trying to convince you to buy Bitcoin right now. And you should do the whole opposite of taking profits. Now, I'm no expert, I'm no financial advisor, but I've been in this market for more than 2 years now, and I understand this market very well. Back in 2017, the whole thing, I was nearly new to this, so these media companies, what they're saying is, it was really new to me. I did not really understand what they're meaning. But after these years and months and manipulation and OTC and institutions and backed and whatever you want to call it, it's time to actually spit some truth on the streets. It's time to take some profits, guys. It's time to take some profits. Whether you are going to take 1%, 5%, 10%, you need to take profits at the end of the day. Because these people are saying, we're going to go to $10,000, then $20,000, and then $30,000. Spinning crap. I mean, we could go to those levels. But of course there are risks. You cannot go through 100 levels all at once and just call it, a bull market. What you need to do is take some profits. And some people don't understand this concept because they are still listening to the media. They're still listening to the YouTubers out there. I mean, I'm a YouTuber myself, but I'm not clickbaiting the hell out of whatever is happening right now in the cryptocurrency space right now is taking profits. It depends on really your age, your work, your occupation, your circumstances. You might be 30 years old or 80 years old. It depends on your risk tolerance. You need to take profits at the end of the day, because this price that you're seeing on the screen right now is going to actually either go down or go up. You're going to either regret or actually be thankful. So I have took profits at the levels of $7,950, $8,800, and $8,795, and I've sold all my positions, according to me at least. I'm not a financial advisor. It really depends on you. Maybe you like a bit of risk, you want a bit of reward, you might wait until it blasts through like the $10,000 level or whatever they're trying to promote. But I'm trying to tell you that to be cautious. Take these profits out of the cryptocurrency market, then invest them back into the cryptocurrency market. But what do I mean? When you are selling, for example, at these levels, and you bought, for example, at the $5,000 or the $6,000 level, you're selling at the $8,000 levels. What you're really doing right here is trying to take some profits and minimize the risk. What you could do with that profits is to actually invest back into different miners. Right now, mining is one of the least, risk to reward ratio. So less risk, more reward, because what you're doing is you're buying a physical object that is going to create you even more cryptocurrencies. Now is the best time, to actually mine cryptocurrencies. Take some profits out of your crypto portfolio and invest them in some miners. That's what I'm trying to focus on, because the market right now, either you take your money out and you sit still until the market dumps, or you actually right now buy miners, and as cryptocurrencies are going up, you're creating essentially even more cryptocurrencies and you're ROIing even more. So there are two ways about going things. And I wanted to actually speak about really interesting topic just for the new guys out in here, or even if you're an advanced trader, it depends on where you're coming from. Now the OTC volume of Bitcoin is rising, article 5 months ago in January. If you go down here, what's so funny to me, and I need to tell you this, because if you're going to actually listen to this, you're going to fall into many holes. A well-respected Bitcoin analyst, Princeton graduate, has claimed, guys, he has claimed, no one can stop him, no one can stop him, he has claimed, we need to listen to him. He has claimed that cryptocurrency is likely to fall below $2,400 level. He said likely, and I don't know why most people perceive this as actual advice or actual fact, but psychologically, without even thinking, you actually think that is real. Even though you're telling yourself it's an opinion, you yourself think it's a fact, right? What I'm trying to tell you right here, guys, is that it didn't go below $2,400. It didn't go anywhere near that. What it remained at is actual $3,500 levels. So when you hear people like that, talking about, yeah, just like buy cryptocurrencies and, at this level, at that level, well, why didn't you actual dollar cost average? Why didn't you buy at $3,500 levels, $3,600 levels? I mean, at the end of the day, this market is really risky, and it's hard to actually measure the total bottom and the total high, So what I'm trying to say right here, guys, is that these analysts, don't trust analysts, don't trust these cryptocurrency media companies or whatever you're trying to call them. Don't trust the regular financial news networks and cable TV. Don't trust YouTube shillers. I mean, at the end of the day, this is a game where you need to play on your own, play by your own rules. If you're going to follow the lead by someone, and I'm just trying to guarantee that right here, these people, they never bought Bitcoin, or any of these media companies, they either have no Bitcoin or sold their positions later, or they are buying Bitcoin and trying to actually make people FOMO in. At the end of this day, guys, the truth of this cryptocurrency market is it manipulated. You cannot trust anyone, not even me. I'm not saying, come trust me, guys, buy at this level, buy at that level, because I don't know, they don't know, no one knows. And, a lot of people are saying, but I know this stuff, why are you telling me that? You don't know this stuff. No one knows this stuff because, you know, the fact psychologically, this is a psychology game. You know, psychologically, you're being driven. Once you read this article, psychologically, you think emotionally. You don't think diligently. That's why I sold all my levels, okay, all my Bitcoin, okay, and I'm right now trying to look at the miners. So thank you guys for watching this video, and you know, I hope this video made really much sense. You know, you need to dollar cost average and all that stuff, you know, and at the end of the day, it more comes down to you, you know, your risk tolerance and, you know, how you perceive the whole cryptocurrency market, because at the end of the day, you can perceive the cryptocurrency market either through educationally or culturally or politically. You know, it depends on your mind up here, you know, and how you think of the cryptocurrency market. Some people might understand Bitcoin different from others. Some people might think this price is lower. Some people think this is undervalued. It really depends on how much you have learned in this cryptocurrency space, how much you're willing to actually learn and expand your own knowledge. So thank you guys for watching this video, and see you guys on the next video.